All right, we're going a little early for 3 at 3 because I got to it. It's the 23rd of March, and we're about to show you the unusual activity that we've seen in the past, as well as what we're seeing right now, today. And the only place you can get that is brilliant. So let's take a look at what Jerome Powell was doing yesterday. That's not him that drove the market down like that. I believe those were Yellen's comments that drove the S&P Dow down 530 plus points, NASDAQ 190 points to the downside. But the good news is that was yesterday. I thought you might enjoy this one about it's time to basically get ready for the Final Four. And the question the wife asks the husband is he talking about basketball or banks? Unfortunately, sad but true. All right, this one we had on the 14th. Today is the 23rd. So this is just 9 days ago. Bullish call spread, 68,000 calls, 6.8 million share equivalent. For the gold miners, GDX was 29.13. Now 31.58. A very nice move. Better than a 10% rally there for the stock. But if you traded the options, a whole lot more. This one also, Digital Turbine. It was 10.32 when we saw it, also on that same day, the 14th of March. And today, trading over $11. It's up another 4.5, 4 and almost a quarter% right here, right now. So, of course, those calls that we're talking about, especially the 10 or 1050 calls, whichever you decided to buy, they're doing pretty well. And then we have KKR. This is from the beginning of March. They were buying June 50 puts aggressively with the stock at 55. Well, the stock's taken about a 10% dip. So once again, people that were in the know, that so-called smart money, they were buying puts when the stock was $5 higher. And I imagine that we both understand how well that has worked for those of us who were in the puts of Kohlberg, Kravitz, and Roberts, KKR. 5,300 of the options that expire tomorrow. So this is a basically one-day trade. If you're getting in now, so one-day trade, they ran those from 40 cents to 240 already. So they already made more than 4 times, 5 times their money from the early purchases. They bought a lot of those, and as you see, they expire the 24th of March, which is, of course, tomorrow. So go in with your eyes wide open that this is a very short-term trade. Take profits quick or cut your losses quick. We are going to be in Santa Rosa, California on June 8th through the 10th. That's my brother Pete and I, along with our team. We're going to have coaches, mentors, people that post up for the unusual activity, and all manner of great traders. 2 days of live trading. It's going to be a fabulous time. I encourage you to go to marketrebellion.com/Sonoma to see the full schedule. Again, 2 days of live trading. And we start trading, of course, out there at 6:30 in the morning. And we're done at 1 or 1:15 if you're trading the indexes. So plenty of time to tour vineyards, have a good time, some great dinners and camaraderie, maybe even hang out by the pool a little bit or get a spa treatment. So check it out, marketrebellion.com/Sonoma. How about this one also? New. Very strong activity in this one, 21,000 calls. Hey, that's 2.1 million share equivalent at the 450 strike. So that is right at the money, right where that stock is trading right now. They were traded for 41 cents. These are May calls. So we've got, of course, April and then May. So 2 months worth of time. The decay is not as severe in these as those 1 week, 2 week, 3 week options that we so frequently cite. So doesn't mean you don't cut losses if there are losses. Doesn't mean you don't take profits if there are profits. That always is
should be paramount to you. But 21,000 again, 2.1 million share equivalent. I like trading with people that put a $9 million trade together, because that's what that represents. The Rebel Edge, it's 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And we have another one more meeting with the streamers next week, and hopefully then we can make our big announcement. 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern time. Last one today, NVDA, $274 stock. They're buying the March 280s that expire not this Friday, next Friday. So this is the 24th, tomorrow. These expire a week from tomorrow. They were buying the 280 calls, which are just called $6 out of the money. They paid from $4.50 to $5.50 for those same calls. And 5,000 calls is 500,000 share equivalent. In other words, 500,000 shares of a $274 stock. You guys can do the math. That is a big trade. They're controlling a huge dollar value of that company for a pittance compared to, of course, buying a $274 stock. That is indeed smart money, and we're going to follow right along with them. But it's a 1 week trade, which means take profit quickly and cut losses quickly. That's very important to always be cognizant of when you've got options that have such a short life before they're over. Well, that's going to do it for us today, folks. I appreciate you joining us. Remember, you can check out all of our offerings at marketrebellion.com/get started. That's marketrebellion.com/get started. One more trading day this week, folks. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.